Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find and get Polygon wallet address on your Trust wallet. It's quick and simple tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, once you have opened up your Trust wallet, you want to click at the top right corner, or you can also click Manage Crypto here at the bottom. And now you will see all of the cryptocurrencies here and all of the networks. So what you want to do is click on all networks, and from here you want to either scroll down or just write down Polygon and choose it. From here you will see all of these cryptocurrencies which are on Polygon network, and to just toggle them on you want to click this toggle button. You can choose any of the cryptocurrencies which you find here and which you want to use. I just went ahead and chose Matic and USDT. Now go back and you will now find it on your dashboard. If you want to send Matic crypto, you want to click on it. And if you want to go ahead and buy it or just receive it, click receive. You will have your wallet address here. And you can go ahead and deposit Polygon Matic assets to this address. Or you can just go ahead and buy it, and that's where you find your wallet address of Polygon. The same goes for USDT. And if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.